So, dear student, this is our new chapter, that is semi-solid dosage form. And from semi-solid dosage form, there is a preparation are given, that is ointment, paste, and jellies. So these three kind of preparation we will discuss simultaneously one by one, right? So before starting the or beginning this our new chapter, once we have a look on our content or topics. So this is our topics, and these topics we will discuss simultaneously one by one, right? So that is the in semi-solid dosage form we will discuss the ointment. So thoroughly or detailedly we will discuss about our ointment preparation, then along with our paste also, then jellies. So these three kind of preparation from semi-solid dosage form we will discuss simultaneously, right? So let's see contents of our new chapter, that is ointment. So from the ointment we will discuss the classification of ointment, some introduction from the of our ointment along with its classification, then bases, what kind of bases are required for the preparation of ointment. So you know that is the this is the ointment, that is a semi solid dosage form. There is no use of any liquid, right? It is a semi solid dosage form, means whatever the cream, whatever the ointment, whatever the paste we will use are falls under the our semi solid dosage form. Means in our cosmetic, you regularly usable cosmetic, whatever our Vaseline, then our cold cream, then ointment, right? So these are the preparation, and we have a experience of that, right? We regularly use, no? Right? So you know that, and we will discuss in this chapter also that kind of preparation, right? So classification, how can we classify our ointment, then ointment basis, right? Ointment basis means what kind of basis for prefer for preparation of our ointment, right? Then classification of ointment basis, then there is a various kind of presence as like our emulsifying agent, then suspending agent. These are the main constituent of our preparation for preparation of a stable kind of preparation, right? So as similar, there is a ointment base. So ointment base is a plays a very important role for the preparation of ointment. So we carefully understand this thing, right? So as a suspending and emulsifying agent, ointment bases are also crucial for preparation of ointment, for the preparation of stable kind of ointment, right? So we will also discuss the classification of our ointment bases, then selection of dermatological vehicles. So there is a various kind of uh, in this chapter there is a various kind of vehicles are given, right? Vehicles means not a liquid, right? Vehicles means not a liquid. There is a basis, right? Dermatological vehicle means selection of dermatological vehicles means various kind of vehicles are given, and from which we have to choose one or more than one vehicle for the preparation of ointment, right? And dermatological means whatever the vehicle suitable for the our skin, right? Skin, these are given here, and from them we have to select the from one or more kind of vehicles, right? So we will also discuss the dermatological vehicle also, how can it select, and how can we choose it, right, for the preparation of ointment. So this kind of all information also we will discuss. Then one preparation of our ointment mean how there is a method of preparation, that is how we will prepare the ointment, and whatever the uh, additives, when then whatever the methods we will used, right? That all kind of information and all kind of topics we will cover in the preparation of our ointment. Then additive used in ointment. So as I said, that is a there is a not possible to prepare a stable kind of preparation with the single kind of excipient or single kind of medicines, right? Additives plays a very important role. Additives are nothing but also excipient. Additives plays a very important role because it's give the it helps to prepare the stable kind of or desired kind of preparation, and only using the single kind of medicament, that is not possible to prepare any kind of dosage form. That's why we need any other kind of material, right? And you know that additive has no any medicinal value, right? Because additive are totally inert. It does not show the any pharmacological action, right? But it helps to prepare the good kind of or stable kind of preparation, right? Then storage of our emulsion. So there is a storage, how we can store the our preparation, either it is keeping increasing temperature or lowering temperature or a cool temperature, right? All kind of uh, environment, what is the environment suitable for our storage of our emulsion, sorry, ointment. These all things we will discuss in storage of our emulsion topic, right? So this kind of topics we will cover in our ointment topic, right? So afterward ointment, there is a paste also our second preparation from the semi-solid dosage form, right? So in paste we also discuss the bases used in the paste, right? Means what kind of bases are required to prepare the paste, right? Then preparation of our paste, then there is a method or procedure are given for the preparation of our, or procedure or method given for the preparation of paste, how how we will prepare our paste. So this kind of information are given here. Then storage of preparation, storage of our paste, then how we will how we can store it, right? Then what will be the uh, official condition for storage of our paste. So all small things and all thorough information are given this kind of topics, right? So these three topics we will discuss in our paste, right? Then afterward our jellies, our third kind of preparation, jellies. So in jellies we will discuss the its introduction also, then some introduction from the jellies, then how, what is the use of jellies, then what are the types, right? And what is the main purpose of preparation of jellies, right? So this kind of information also we will discuss. Then types of our jellies, then whatever the kind of jellies are present or we can prepare, right? So this all information also given here. Then formulation of our jellies, as like our preparation, that is a formulation means our given the additives, whatever the excipient and additives are required to prepare the jellies, then what are the method are given for the preparation of jellies. This kind of information we will discussed in the formulation of our jellies. Then storage of jellies, then there is also given the, also we will discuss the storage of our jellies, how should how we will how we can store the our jellies, right? So from the jellies, after jellies there is a also another topic, that is poultice. So poultice also another kind of semi solid dosage form, right? So in which also we will discuss the some introduction from the poultice, then some uh, storage of our poultice. So in introduction we uh, deeply studied the or how the poultice prepared, then what is the exact use of that poultice, and it is a semi-solid dosage form, and route of our administration of poultice are also we will discuss in the introduction part from the poultice also. Then storage of poultice, there is a specific storage condition are given for the poultice, right? So afterward that is a last topic from the semi-solid dosage form, difference between paste and ointments. So as similar as like our suspension and emulsion, there is also another topic are given, that is a differentiate or discrimination, means how can we discriminate the paste and ointment from each other, right? Because these are two things are very quite similar, so small things are given, and that make these two preparation different to each other, right? So this differentiate also important for the exam point of view. So and afterward that is the reference. So all topics we will cover one by one, right? So this kind of topics we will discuss in this our new chapter, right? That is semi solid dosage form, right? Our first is, that is a ointment, right? So have a look, there is a small information given about the semi solid dosage form, right? So we just see this thing only, right? And our ointment topic we will discuss in our next lecture, right? So let's see The semi-solid dosage form are mainly prepared for external application. Ointment, cream, jellies, paste are the example of the semi-solid dosage form. Suspension suppositories also included in this category. Sorry, suppositories are also included in this category, but these are unit dosage form, right? These are unit dosage form. So semi-solid dosage form, you know that it is a not a solid. Either it is not a solid or not a it is not a solid nor a liquid. It is a semi-solid dosage form, and the semi-solid dosage form are mainly prepared for external application, right? Semi-solid dosage form we can't given through parenteral route or oral route or any nasal route, right? Because these are the semi-solid dosage form only prepare for the local application or the application on the skin surface, right? Whatever the semi-solid dosage form are prepared, that are prefer for the application on the skin surface, that is the externally application skin surface, right? Not into the for the not for the internal administration or not for the parental administration, right? So you should remember that always, that is the semi-solid dosage form are applied on the externally only, right? So ointment, cream, jellies, paste are applied on the surface of our skin, not by the parenterally, right? So you should remember this. And the suppositories are also included in this category, but these are unit dosage form. So suppositories and pastries also are another chapter, that is from the semi-solid dosage form. These are the two preparation. So as like our basic liquid dosage form, we discuss the emulsion and suspension. So similarly, for from the semi-solid dosage form, we will discuss the ointment, jellies, paste, and suppositories and pastries also, right? So there is a separate chapter are given for the ointment, jellies, paste, and suppositories and pastries, right? Because suppositories and pastries are the semi-solid dosage form, but these are the unit dosage form. It is a unit dosage form. Unit dosage form means as like our tablet, and capsule and tablet are a unit dosage form. We can easily count the our dosage form. That's why it's called the unit dosage form, right? Suppositories and pastries are the unit dosage form, but it is a mainly semi-solid dosage form, right? So that's why the same suppositories and pastries chapter are making the another chapter, are given the another chapter, right? So by this way our semi-solid dosage form are given, right? So our ointment topic we will discuss our another lecture, right? So I think this is the enough for today, right? You should remember this thing, all thing. If you have any questions or any queries, then you can you can ask me in our group, right, and discuss in our group, right? So thank you.